Okay, this is the phone. The first thing you have to do, you have to take out the SIM tray. Okay, then you start to open it. This one is a clip, you just open it right down. When you open it, you have to be very careful for the fingerprint cable. So don't open it full, just open it slowly like this. Fingerprint cable is there. Okay. You take out this 3 screw here. Remove this metal. Disconnect the fingerprint cable. Okay, put this on one side. Then you open the down here also. You take out all the screw. Remove this one, put one side. Okay, you disconnect the battery, disconnect the LCD cable. Okay, then you remove this connector. This one is for the heat, just remove it. Then you put at the heat machine at least for 10 to 15 minutes. After you heat it small, then you open it. If you don't have the heat at home, you just open it. Okay, because the screen already cracked, just open it and put the other one. Okay, remove it. Okay, then you clean all the glue right on the phone. When you glue, make sure you clean all the glue so that the old glue can fix very nice. Remove all this glue right around the phone. Okay, after I clean right around the phone, okay, now you need to apply the glue. Just put it right around. Okay, don't put on top of the camera, just put close to the camera. Don't put on top of the sensor, just put close to the sensor like this. Okay, and make sure you put it right on the phone. After I apply the glue right on the phone, okay, now you need to remove this plastic. Do it slowly. Okay, just take it out. Slowly, be careful for the connector. Okay, then you fold this one a bit because all these two is going to pass this side. And you pass the connector inside there and pass the other one also. And make sure you lay the screen very straight, don't bend it. Okay, you fix the LCD connector, very nice. Okay, then you put the heart also. Make sure it's under the motherboard here. This is the heart. Okay, you connect the battery. Okay, then you put the ringer back. Then you place all the screw down there. The small shiny screw is down here, and the black ones is up here. When you see the hole, you know that this one is for this side, because if you put the black one on the small side, the black one cannot go in. Okay, so make sure you put it the right way. When you put the big one also, the small also on the big side, the small one cannot screw tight. Okay, that will show you that this screw is not for this side, because this phone have 2 types of screw. Make sure you place all the screw. After you replace the screw on this one, okay, then you fix the fingerprint cable. Make sure you fix it very nice. Okay, then you open it this way and fix this metal. Replace all the 3 screws you take out from there. Okay, then you close the phone. Start close from the top. Then you come down. Okay, close it right down. Okay, then you put the SIM tray, don't forget. Okay, then you use this rubber at least for 10 to 15 minutes so the screen will rest properly. So the glue become dry. After 30 minutes you remove it. Okay, then you on the phone and see if the LCD is okay. Okay, the phone is on, the LCD is on, that means it's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.